minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
At T plus 30 seconds into the mission, Electron is well on its way to space after its 20th liftoff from the pad at Rocket Lab Launch Complex 1. We had a great view from the tracking cameras of the power of those Rutherford engines, with Electron clearing past 700, it's clearing well on its way to space right now. And very soon Electron will approach max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure. And this is the moment when the forces against the launch vehicle are at their peak during ascent. So let's listen in for the call that Electron has cleared that gate.
Ship run 1.
Approaching max Q.
HVP discharge nominal.
Max Q cleared.
Entering ship run 2.
There's the call out. Electron has successfully passed through max Q, with propulsion continuing nominally. In about a minute, we'll be coming up to 3 events that happen back to back during flight. First is main engine cutoff, or MECO. This is when the 9 Rutherford engines on Electron's booster throttle down before shutting off completely to slow the rocket down before the second event. That's when the first stage separates from the rest of Electron as it continues with the third event, ignition of the sole Rutherford engine that powers Electron and the satellites to orbit. With that stage separation, Electron's booster begins its journey back to Earth, and so will begin our second Electron recovery attempt. We'll hopefully have a live camera feed on that first stage to watch that descent take place, but before we get ahead of ourselves, let's wait for the call out for those 3 events.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal. And MECO confirmed.
Successful separation.
Stage ignition.
Recovery.
Analyst recovery, proceed with sequence 59, stage 1 recovery operations.